Ya sesikhona ngalesi sikhathi. Sesikhona sesingenile sesigalelekile. Ku-changes akhasha khona njengamanje. Kuyi-Sunday mhla ka-9. Sesikhona ke njengamanje sesikhona nganzakwethu. Siyangena njengamanje nje. Changes akhasha ukubingelelayo. So khuluma ngendaba ebalekile namhlanje ukuthi umuntu into ejulile nokho ukuthi umuntu uqhamuka kanjani, ufika kanjani umuntu, kwenzekalani, ama forces are behind ekuzalekeni komuntu, not even ekuzalekeni endaweni ejulile kakhulu kuma forces are unseen ajulile. Yilapho esizoyiqala khona ke indaba namhlanje because siyazi ukuthi uma ngabe ku-Sunday kusuke kuyilanga le-human design recap. Siyazi ukuthi ke abanye ke basijoyina ngendlela but ngicela ukubingelela nalapha ku-YouTube. Ngiyanibingelela ama-YouTubers, ngibonga kakhulu ngiyabona ama-comment enu. Siyazi ukuthi ke kusazogcwala la endlini, siyazi ukuthi kusazoba nemibuzo la endlini. Abantu basazofuna ukuketch up ukuthi bengithole kahle ukuthi ngithini because I know ukuthi people bayalidinga ulwazi. Njengamanje sekuyisona isikhathi se-Uranus njengamanje. We have to dig deep, we have to be innovative, we have to be rebellious. Ukuba rebellious ikuyona into esizoba yiyona leyo because as ingqongqoza ilokhu ngani i-Uranus kuzomela ukuthi sishintshe into ezindala nje esakhuliswa ngazo. Kumele ukuthi ishintshe lezo zinto. We are diving deeper and deeper and deeper, and izinto ziyangokuya zihlala obala. Bakhona abantu la kuma social media balikhuluma iqiniso ukuthi hayibo kahle phela sekumele sishintshe manje. Yabona nje amasonto ayimahle ngesikhathi sawo, amasonto nezikole zazizinhle ngesikhathi sazo, noma ischooling system ngokunjalo ni what you call nendaba ye-tribalism, indaba yama-tribe le yayinhle ngesikhathi sayo leyo into leyo. But isikhathi sayo ke njengamanje siyakuya siyaphela, and whether you like it or not siyakuya siyaphela. That is why sibona abefundisi, sibona ama-cultural leaders, sibona ama-political leaders kuba ngazi ukuthi ayasangana la emakhanda. They are losing faith kuthina. Why? Hayi ngoba kukuthini babhediswa vela ama-forces ayababhedisa so that singeze ukubathemba, so that izo-disintegrate yonke lento le ndala le ilaste 411 years i-cross of planning la siphuma khona 411 years. Ngayichaza ke lonto la last time ukuthi bese kwi-cross of planning la khona bekade sakha imindeni, sakha ama-tribe, sisizana, sakha ama-skills, focus kuma-skills, o-medicine, o-science, sibe sifocuse kakhulu kuma-skills and ekutheni sakhe ama-talents nama-skills azosiza i-community yethu. Besi-more of besi-communal. Njengamanje ke iya-disintegrate leyo nto leyo, iya-disintegrate. Hayi kabi i-universe phela iya-evolve, ngeke kuze kuhlale kwinto eyodwa, kuya-evolve just like your brain. Namhlanje nje ngizokhuluma ngento ezibaluleke kakhulu. Just like your brain ayizange izinje iqhamuka ingqondo yakhe sinje. Ingqondo yakhe developile over time, even ama-neurotransmitters, ama-biochemicals or hormones athile nawo adevelopile over time, o-endorphin, o-oxytocin, laba dopamine, wonke lama hormone they developed over time. Ayikho into nje evele kwathiwa nje nansi iqhamuka isinje. Even i-human ayizange iqhamuka isinje. i-human idevelopile eons and eons of time, idevelop i-human. At least ke 90,000 years ago ukwazi ukuthi develop i-ashna awareness, ube conscious of yourself, not so long ago. So we keep on evolving, developing, evolving. Humanity is under construction. Ayikakaphelile, is under construction. Yabona nje kusenabantu la abangakakwazi ukuthi benze into engakuthatha iminyaka kodwa lonto leyo beyenza ukuthi ibe khona within 1 year. Into engakuthatha iminyaka mhlambe u10 ukuthi ube nayo kumele usebenzise ingqondo lonto ukuthi within 1 year lonto ibe khona. Lapho what are you beating? You are beating the space and time, because ngeke umuntu phela kumele uthi angalimitwa space and time kahle hle. Oh lulu, what is happening? Ngizocela yazi ukuthi kunomuntu ofonayo la engiyaphazamiseka. Angazi ukuthi ubani. Hey yazi ukuthi phela sengivele kwafona umuntu lana. Sekuvele kwafona umuntu lana. Ngase ngithola ukuphazamiseka. Ngiyakubona laphana post malums ukuthi you have left a comment. Molweni ekhaya Sithembe, we are all well. I'm late. I know we are not late guys. Hlezi nje vele abantu bezoqhamuka vele sebesiba late. Ngisuke ngisandlalela yabo inkulumo yami. Khulileke nje ucala ubhavu awukho late neze bengisachaza nje ukuthi into engiyithandayo ke ngehuman design lesikhuluma ngayo ke namhlanje ile ukuthi isithathe sibeke ukuthi sisukaphi futhi siyapi, bese futhi yasitshela ukuthi asenzeni ukuze sokwazi ukufinyelela lapho esiyakhona. Yabo namhlanje ngizothinta indaba ebaluleke kakhulu because abantu abaningi bazi ukuthi kumele beoperate ngengqondo zabo. Nakho kunye engimele ngikusho, uma ukuthi ubhalile icomment la ngangayifunda kuyoba ngiyibonanga lo comment leyo, ungadikibali ukuphinde uyibhale mangabe ukuthi ibaluleke ngaleyo ndlela, ngoba kwesinye isikhathi yenzeka la ama comment la adlule gijima kakhulu eshone phezulu, so ugcine ngasayibonanga comment yakho. So ke ngithi angidlule kuleyo ndawana leyo ke iyasitshela ke human design ukuthi asenzeni, ngoba bafethu let me take you back to where we come from. Yabo nje manje before ngize la I was looking at ukudevelopeka kwengqondo ukuthi ingqondo sinalento ekuthiwa i-reptilian brain okuyi brainstem kanye ne cerebellum. Lo reptilian brain iyona brain endala. We've been operating with that brain way back to survive, and yama instinct it's a lizard brain yabo indala indala kakhulu, iyona kept us surviving until this time lo ngqondo leyo. Then some move from lo ngqondo leyo we developed another brain okuyini limbic system yabo, limbic brain leyama emotions esishare nama mammals yabo, that's an emotional brain. What sa developer angithi sa develop recently, sa developer in neocortex yabo. In neocortex reasoning, that's a human brain now. Yabo, if even our brain was not this big in size, was not this big, ama homo sapien our ancestors are the ones that developed this such big brain like this yabo. They are the ones who basinikeza ingqondo enkulu kangaka. So now we are going to pass something to our generation. Sabona wesiphephelo, ngiyakubingelela ngalesikhathi futhi ngiyakwemukela. Manje lezi ngqondo ezintathu engishilo i-lizard brain okuyilokhu njalo okuyi-brain le endala kakhulu okuyile ama instincts yabo, bese kuba i-limbic brain eyama mammals, the emotional brain, bese kuzoba i-human brain, i-neocortex, reasoning, language and all those things. Yabona sesinjama sesiyarezina nje manje, yabo nje manje i-neocortex has developed siyarizina manje asikwazi ukuthi sifidwe izinto sisebenze ngama survival instinct sesadlula kuleso sikhathi leso sesadlula isikhathi la khona sisurvive ngespleen yabo maybe let me take you back a little bit I want to show you something. I just want to show you something. What I want to show you is this where kumele ngikufakele something la khona uzoyibona ngikufakele something la khona uzoyibona ngazi noma ngifakile sokwazi ukubona uma ngifaka le okay yep dala angifuni ezokudida la sengibone yabona kudala kakhulu kudala like 4 million years we've been surviving with this one. Inle spleen this is spleen center. This is for survival. It's for awareness le. This is an awareness for survival. And uma kukhona into ekuthiwa awareness is an fear yabo. So this awareness center am ancestors ethu, we've been surviving with this spleen center for eon and eon of time. Yini eyokuthi is an fear ukuthi nje you should always searching for a fear every time. You should always scanning for a danger yabo. We are scanning for a danger every time, and if you are scanning for a danger every time eyama survival instinct lento le iyona eyasenza saphila saze sala, because ukuphila kwethu besihlezi sibalekela ingozi ngaso sonke isikhathi ngoba lokhu kusifuna ukusigcina siphila umphefumulo uhlangene nenyama. That is how we kept surviving until this point, because sikhona nje ngenxa ukuthi lawa ama species amadala ama ancestors ethu akwazi ukuthi akhiqiza ama genes awo siqhubeke siphile kuze kube siyaphila namanje, ngoba nathi siqhubeka sithi sisiletha abanye abantu emhlabeni siyaqhubeka siyaphila. Sinama mechanism esurvive ngawo. So lo mdala lo yabo, this awareness is very old for us. So kwamele phela ukuthi ekugcineni sigcine si-evolvile, singasurvive ngalento kuphela, si-survive njengezilwane. So iyona ke lento engisho ukuthi we were using lizard brain yabo, i-reptilian brain. We were using it le eka fight or flight, ukuthi nje you have to fight or flight njengesilwane nje. Isilwane nje umuqhamuka nje inyamazane yenza njani vele suka ibaleke nje angithi. So izenza ukwenza njani ukuzisave, is like running away from the danger. So that's how we were surviving. Kodwa kwamele phela ukuthi singahlali lapho siyi-humanity, kwamele ukuthi singabi izilwane forever. Kwamele ukuthi ekugcineni sigcine sabantu, singagcina siyizilwane forever. Simele sidevelop. Sadevelopa ke le the past 90,000 years sadevelopa lena ke ile ekwenza ukuthi ube aware ukuthi wena uwena yabo. Ile ekwenza ukuthi ube aware ukuthi wena uhlukile kuno isilwane. Asinayo leyo nto. Isilwane asikho conscious of its own existence. Asinayo consciousness ukuthi sithi isilwane sine personality, siyazibona ukuthi sithandana, asinayo ama likes nama dislikes, asinayo personality, asinayo yonke lonto leyo isilwane yabo. Kodwa thina ke into yasenza sahluka esilwaneni manje, sadevelopa lento ekuthiwa i-Achina center. Sadevelopa le ingqondo ke le mind ukuthi we have to separate good from bad. We developed this one 90,000 years ago. So lo ingqondo mind but naye lo is an awareness center efuna ukuthi uhlezi usafe ngaso sonke isikhathi. That is why ihlezi iscanner for i-danger njalo ihlezi ikutshela ukuthi how bad things are going to be, so that ifuna ukuthi uthathe action. Wobona ingqondo yakho ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi ihlezi ikutshela ukuthi how bad things are going to play out, ngoba ifunani? Ifuna ukugcina ukusurvive. Iyona nje into yengqondo le. Ingqondo ifuna ukuthi uhle, it's all about surviving. It's all about surviving, running away from danger, yabo, escaping danger. So ingqondo le into eyenzayo izo interfereisha nokuphila kwakho, ngoba ifuna ukuthi uhlezi aware of the danger and take action now, yabo. And by that, ngokuphila kanjalo kwakho, you are awusaphilisa komuntu, usaphilisa okwani, okwama ancestors ethu, because you don't have to live like ingqondo sayidevelopa vele, kodwa asingayinikeza amandla. Sesiphelile isikhathi soku-operate manje ngalento le. Siphelile isikhathi soku-operate ngalento manje. Isikhathi esingena kusona manje esoku-operate ngalento le. Nasi isikhathi soku-operate ngalento lesi. Le izoba fully functional ngo-2027 le. Izoba fully functional ngo-2027. Okuyini? Emotional awareness. Iyona so-survive ngayo, yabo, emotional awareness. But angizileke ukuzokhuluma ngalama awareness centers namhlanje. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngento ejulile kakhulu ekuthenini umuntu ufika kanjani la emhlabeni, kwenzekalani, mapha ama forces akhona are in place la emhlabeni, yabo. Which are those forces that are there in place la emhlabeni? Which are those forces enza ukuthi umuntu agcine enjani ekhona, yabo. Lokhu nje sobuye sithinte ngesinye isikhathi, but la engikhona namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngento ekuthiwa i-personality crystal, i-design crystal, ne-magnetic monopole. Yilezo zinto eziwu-3 engizokhuluma ngazo namhlanje. Personality crystal, design crystal, and magnetic monopole. Asiqale lana-ke. Yini i-personality crystal? I think I have to pull something, ngoba kumele ukuthi ngiqale ngiyichaze into ukuthi iyini before ngize ngithi ngiyayigxumela. Kunento bengiyi-downloadile la, isithombe bengisi-downloadile, asisafuna ukungena, but-ke akunankinga-ke, ngizochaza ngaloko okukhona njengamanje. Guys, njengoba ngithi ngizokhuluma ngento eziwu-3, i-personality crystal, i-design crystal, bese kuba i-magnetic monopole, yabo. Hayi litengi we creative mind, litengi. Nathi ngivume kahle. Yini asiqale nge-magnetic monopole, ngoba uwona ujikelele i-magnetic monopole. Yabona la enhlizweni yakho kunento ebizwa ngokuthi i-magnetic monopole. Yini i-monopole? I-monopole njengoba wazi ukuthi umagnet unama poles awu-2, u-south pole no-north, yabo. Nje ngisho ngosika phakathi futhi umagnet uzophinda futhi ukunikeze another south and north, usike phakathi unika another south pole and north pole, yabo. So uzokwenza kanjalo, but umagnet it's retain, kodwa ke ya ke retain. Siyabonga ukungitshela, sengizokubamba njalo lokho. Uyabona ke uma sikhuluma nge-monopole, kusho ukuthi we are talking about alright mfowethu, we are talking about the magnet that is having only one pole, not south and north, only one pole. So when there is something in your heart called magnetic monopole, and that magnetic monopole is a magnet that is having only one pole. And lonto isho ukuthi yonke into ngingasho ukuthi nje wena wedwa, yonke into ekhona la emhlabeni ine magnetic monopole kuyona. Leyo magnetic monopole i monopole ebamba zonke izinto ndawonye. Ake ngiwenze lesibonelo. Yabona la, uma ngabe kukuthi leli peni ngizothi mangilikrasha kuphume izinto eziningi ezihlakazeke kanje, phuma into eziningi zihlakazeke zithi lezo zinto lezo zonke zizobe zine magnetic monopole okuwukuthi iziphula towards leli peni leli, ngoba zonke zasuka la. Okusho ukuthi abantu bonke nazo zonke izinto ezidaliwe zine magnetic monopole eziholda zonke together. That is why everything affects everything wherever it is. Thank you so much for the gift. Noma ngabe useChina, noma ungabe uphi, noma ngabe kwenzekalani, sonke we are connected by magnetic monopole. So a magnetic monopole is just one pole that is directing things towards one direction only. Yabo? Towards one direction only. Yabo? So lento icabanga njengalento nje. Yabo lento le magnet lento. Magnet. Uma sento ngi-crack lento le ihlakazeke. Zonke lezi zinto lezi ezophuma la kuzomela ukuthi zibanjwe iforce la zikhona, zonke ezihlanganisa nalento le. Okusho ukuthi zonke lezi zinto ziphethe into eyodwa ezithathela zonke. Ekuyiforce ke leyo ekuthiwa i-magnetic monopole that is holding everything that is in this world together. Yabo? So yonke into lento uyibona kwini? Uyibona kulento ekuthiwa i-Metatron's cube. I-Metatron's cube ngakungafundisa ngayo. Isho ukuthi everything is connected to everything else in space and time. Ungenza into manje, lonto izoku-affecta ngesinye isikhathi. Ngingenza into la, lento izoku-affecta ulapho la ukhona, ngoba yonke into is connected to everything else. Yayizwa lonto? Siyabonga Post Malone zokusikhumbuza. But it's like nathi tap the screen. So ngicabanga ukuthi i-magnetic monopole uyayi-understand ukuthi it is the force that is holding everything in this earth together. We are held together by the magnetic monopole. And wena-ke i-magnetic monopole yakho isenhlizweni yakho. Okay? That is a magnetic monopole. It's a force. Size kwini kulento engithe i-personality ne-design crystal. Asiqale nge-personality crystal. I-personality crystal qala nje yini crystal? Ayasiqale lapho nje, yini crystal? Angikhulumi ngama-crystal lawa mina, angikhulumi ngalama-crystal lawa. Lento siyayi-conceptualizer. Ama-crystal into ongayifanisa nani, angazi ukuthi ngayifanisa nani, kodwa ura uruhu uyibiza nge-crystal. Into lena efana nani yabona njenge ukuthi i-atom is just, it can be an example, but it's a bundle molo we nolzi. It's a bundle or clutter or bunch of crystals, like photons. Like I don't know whether I'm putting it correctly uma ngibiza nge-photon, ngoba lento ekuthiwa i-crystal it is an unseen thing that is able to create something out of, yabo. So kunento ekuthiwa i-personality crystal. I-personality crystal atholakala kuphi? Atholakala around the world. Lento ekuthiwa i-personality crystal atholakala around the world, yabo. Bese ukuthi i-design crystal or i-personality crystal futhi isiza ukwakha ini ilokhungana, isiza ukwakha ini i-reality yakho. I-personality crystal is helping ukuthi kwakheke i-reality yakho, isiza ukwakha i-soul yakho, your conscious experience, yabo. Your conscious ngoba ngeke uzungitshele njengamanje ukuthi wena ukuthi uyaphila, uyabona, uyezwa, uyakhuluma, ngeke uzungitshele ukuthi kunjani lokho, kwenziwa yini kube njalo, yabo. Into ejulile, ngeke uzungitshele ukuthi yini, what is behind that, yini yenza uzwe ubone this conscious experience, what is behind it. So ngeke uzungitshele. So ke what's behind that is what we call a personality crystal, yabo. So a personality crystal is responsible for creating your reality, is responsible for creating your soul, yabo. But i-design crystal it's a bundle of crystal la khona kuthathwa khona ku create what, your body, the form, the design. This is the design. So the lento ekuthiwa ke i-design crystal atholakala in the core of the earth. That is where there is a bundle of design crystals. Yonke into akubuke kanje, yonke into ekhona form, manifested form in this earth, kumele kube khona into ekuthiwa i-design crystal kuyona. Yonke into ekhona manifested as a form in this earth, there must be what we call a design crystal behind that you don't see. So a design crystal in this earth is for creating a form. Yini i-form? It's a manifested form ebonwa ngamehlo, ezwiwa ngendlebe, ethintwa ngezandla, ethestwa ngolimi. Yona yonke into le, into eyiform, into wazi ukuthi uyi-experience through your 5 senses, i-form leyo nto, form crystal, yabo. Kune crystal ke behind that form, yabo. So ke nawe ke unento ekuthiwa ke i-design crystal, kodwa ama-design crystal ngithe atholakala kuphi? In the core of the earth. Ahleli nalo ma-design crystal in the core of the earth, ahleli nento ekuthiwa i-magnetic monopole le engikhulume ngayo. Ayizwa loo nto? Ahleli nento ekuthiwa i-magnetic monopole le engikhulume ngayo. Okay, ake sithi wena-ke awuzaliwe, awukho emhlabeni njengamanje, awukho emhlabeni, noma vele uke wangababikho, vele uke wangamanifesta as a form, angithi uke wangababikho. What was happening ke? Because phela wena unomzimba manje, unengqondo, unelento, unomzimba, unengqondo, une-consciousness, yabo. So ngesikhathi lezi zinto zingekho bekade zikuphi? As for umzimba, what comes first? What it was the design crystal, beyikuphi? Be in the core of the earth, ne-magnetic monopole, right? The personality crystal, where were they? They were in the space around the earth. Wena ke, where were you? Where were you by that time? And ukuthi wena ubukuphi kuzoba ukuthi wena ubuyini ngaleso sikhathi. Wena, what were you wena ngaleso sikhathi? Yabo, we cannot, you were not there. You were literally not there as something that we can say. There was no consciousness, there was nothing, yabo. Yikho into ebekuthiwa wena, lezi zinto ngesikhathi zi-disintegrate-ile. Ngithi ayizwa loo nto? Hi we Revelation Hello, ngiyakubingelela and I welcome you. Ngesikhathi wena lezi zinto ubungekho ibingekho into conscious of yona, there was no experience, ibingekho into ewuwe, there was only God, what you call God, the force that is behind everything. That's what everything originates from, right? The force. But let me see, is something, oh okay, all right, okay. But uma ke wena sekumele ukuthi ube khona manje, yini yenzeka? I-magnetic monopole njengoba ngithela ihleli nani ne-design crystal. Ubaba wakho wathintwa i-design crystal ya-activateka, wase by track. Nawe ubaba wakho nawe ehambela indlela zakhe, naye ezihlangana noma wakhe, nawe ezenzela izinto zakhe eziphilele, but kune-force behind eyamenza ukuthi ayohlangana nomama wakho. Naye weyiphilela impilo nje, wengazi nanokuthi uzohlangana nomama wakho kuze kugcina kuzaleke wena, ayikho into ayibeyazi. Naye kune-force ebeyi-behind, yes, kune-force ebeyi-behind. Le force eyamenza ukuthi asuka ahambe aye lapha ayakhona, afika ahlangane noma wakho, yabo, ngoba kwaba sengathi i-coincidence, kanti vele there is something, there's a force behind vele yakho wena, ngoba nawe kumele ukuthi uzalwe, there was a force behind yakho. So kwenze kanje nake i-design crystal, ngoba lento isebenza ngama-forces, yathuma ubaba wakho ukuthi ehlenyuka khona ezohlangana noma wakho. It was well orchestrated ukuthi ahlangane nomama wakho ngqo, yabo. Kwase 8 hours before ubaba wakho ahlangane nomama wakho ngokwenkonzo, 8 hours before kwenzeke lonto, i-design crystal isuke vele isingenile kubaba wakho. I-design crystal yakho ezokwakha wena isuke isingenile kubaba wakho, yakho specifically wena, yabo, isuke isingenile ngoba iyo vele imthumayo ukuthi manje akayokwenzani. So therefore uma ngabe kwenzeka leyo into leyo 8 hours before, ngoba manje kumele lento ibe precise ngalendlela ukuthi kwakhiwe umzimba o-right ngesikhathi esi-right, yonke lento kumele isebenze ngokwe-precision, yabo. So into eyaziyo ke la, kwasuka i-design crystal yayongena kubaba wakho, yangena kubaba wakho. Mayingena kubaba wakho i-design crystal, yena mangabe sekumele kuproduce wena, okay, kulungile, yenzeka inkonzo, i-design crystal iyona yakha umzimba wakho, iyona edirectayo ukuthi njengamanje akuphume lo, iyona yenza yonke le process eyenzeka la ukuthi akuphume lo. Ama-genes kumele activateke ilawa. Mucabanga wena ubani owenza lezi zinto lezi? Umdali unezithunywa zakhe. Lezi ngikhuluma ngazo mina, izithunywa, ama-forces asetshenziswa umdali ukuthi kumele ukuthi kube ilesi, ngoba uyazi ukuthi kusuke kuyintsada, ngithi kusuke kuyintsada lento le, so isperm nje, so kodwa kukhona lesi esiphumayo siyoshaya iqanda, and ukuthi kuphume lesi kube isona siyoshaya iqanda, futhi ukuthi yini kumele ukuthi imaphi ama-genes kumele a-activateke angene kuwe kumzimbeni wakho aqhamuka kuma wakho, imaphi ama-genes kumele a-activateke angene kuwe aqhamuka kubaba wakho. Yonke leyo process yenziwa i-design crystal, ngoba i-design crystal ifuna ukwakha umzimba okuyiwona ngqo, ngoba i-design crystal ikade ihleli ne-magnetic monopole. I-magnetic monopole iyona ewumngqo eyaziyo ukuthi yini kumele yakhiwe manje, yabo. So i-design crystal yenza sure ukuthi kuphuma lo muntu onje owuwe kanje, kuphuma lo muntu nje onje. I-design yomzimba wakho, umzimba lo wakho une-consciousness yawo ngokwawo, yabo. Umzimba wakho une-consciousness yawo ngokwawo, yabo. So therefore kwathi mangabe i-design crystal isiwenzile lo msebenzi, ngicela ubuke lana-ke abantu abenze i-science, i-life science noma i-biology bazokutshela i-process e-serious eyenzekalayo uma ngabe kwenziwa umuntu, ukuthi kuba khona o-DNA no-RNA. Thank you so much for the gift, Masha. Thank you so much. Kuba khona o-DNA no-RNA, o-transcription no-translation. Ileyo process eyenzekala lapho ukuthi imapha ama-genes ekumele athaneke on, imapha ama-genes ekumele athaneke off ngesikhathi kwenziwa yonke lo process leyo. Lo process leyo umdali uyidedicatile, wayidedicatela kwi-design crystal. I-design crystal esukuyenza wonke lo msebenzi ukuze kuzophuma lo wena onje, omi kanje, othatha izinto kanje, onje. I-design le umzimba lo uconscious ngokwawo. Alright, asidluleke lapho. Le process engikhuluma ngayo yenzeka 6 months, inyanga ezu6 usesiswini sikama wakho, kusuka kwenzeka le process engikhuluma ngayo njengamanje. Full 6 months kusuke kudevelopeka ini i-design. Owazi mangikhuluma nge-design ngikhuluma nge-vehicle le umzimba. This is the vehicle. Into yakhe kaqala mawakheka wena eswini, kwakheka inhliziyo yokuqala. Indaba kwakheka inhliziyo yokuqala ingoba inhliziyo iyona ene-magnetic monopole, yezwa. Iyona ezokwazi ukuthi yini what to follow next, isizana ne-design crystal, yabo. Kwakheka inhliziyo yokuqala uma ngabe ukuthi khona into eyakhekayo, bese kuyadevelop 6 months full. 6 months full usuku umzimba usuphelele, usudane, usucomplete umzimba, yes. Usuke ingekho lento ekuthiwa i-consciousness lapho, usuke ungekho wena, kusuke kuse umzimba lo, i-vehicle. Le vehicle isuke kubambisane i-magnetic monopole ne-design crystal ukuthi yakhiwe, ngoba lezinto zombili ziyazi ukuthi hlobo luni lwe-consciousness oluzongena la. Kumele kube i-consciousness ehambelana ncimishi nalento, yabona. The last 3 months ke manje, the last trimester, ingqondo, i-neocortex isuke isi-finished, yes. Isuke isi-finished i-neocortex, the human brain. Bese kuzongenani ke manje, the last 3 months sekuzongena lento ekuthiwa yini i-personality crystal, okuyi-soul, yes. Yazi-ke namhlanje ukuthi i-soul ingena the last trimester, the last 3 months usekuzongena ini i-soul ezo experience ini i-life. Kodwa the first and the second trimester kusokuyini, kusokuyi-design umzimba. Then mase sekuqedwe i-neocortex no-pineal gland, yonke into ingqondo isiphelele to fully function as a human, sekuzongena ini lento ekuthiwa yini i-personality crystal. Kade ikuphi lesikhathi ngaso sonke lesikhathi i-personality crystal kade i-around the what, kade around the earth, yabo. Isizongena ke manje sekuqala sekuyini, sekukhona ini i-conscious awareness ngaleso sikhathi, sekukhona i-consciousness awareness ngaleso sikhathi. Then ke ngiyaqhubeka kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi untokozo la uyabuza, how and why does God create disabled people? Angazi lokho angeke ngize ngingene kukona njengamanje, but let me explain what I'm explaining. Lokho, that is another topic for another day, yabo. Bese ke sekungena lokhungana le ma crystal la, angeke ngitsheleke manje, kusuke sekungena isoul lapho, ngithi yazi ezo experience ini umhlaba. ngani ngama senses ayo awu5 as a complete human, right? Asicheck lana la i-magnetic monopole ihlala la kuthiwa i-arch nascent, angithi le ngasho ngathi arch nascent le e-green. This is the arch na, this is the mind, this one la ila kuhlala khona lento engithe yini i-design crystal ihlala la kuhlala lento ekuthiwa a-personality crystal la phezulu, the consciousness, the conscious awareness la phezulu, personality crystal. These things, lezi zinto zombili zibanjwe yilo, okusho ukuthi into eyazi kahle la ukuthi impilo yakhe ibhekiphi akuyena lo okuthiwa yini i-design, akuyena lo ekuthiwa yini i-personality, kodwa ilo ekuthiwa magnetic monopole, ngoba lo uyena impilo yakho ukuthi kumele ihambe phi kanjani nangu wazi. At least lo okuthiwa magnetic monopole ubesebenzisana nalo ukwakho umzimba wakho kuthiwa i-design crystal, bobabili lo udriver, lo i-vehicle, lo i-passenger, consciousness i-passenger. Uzasebenzise lo analogy uruhu ukuthi nansi into emele uyilandele yini le inhliziyo. Inhliziyo is the driver because it is having the magnetic monopole. It knows where you are going, it knows the sole purpose, it knows why you are here, because it is the one that was there from the beginning. Lo ungene the last 3 months, the conscious awareness akazi lutho lo kumele abe passenger. So therefore asisuseni ilento la, asisuseni control la kwi-vehicle, asisuseni control la kwi-passenger, silethe la kwini ku-driver, because nangu driver, the heart, the magnetic monopole. Yabona ngathi khona umbuzo khona la, I don't know whether ngithe njalo uma ngabe ukuthi uke wabhala umbuzo wathola umbuzo wakho ungawufundi ngenxa ukuthi ayashesha amalento la ama comments, uphinde ubhale futhi mawukuthi ubaleke ngaleyo ndlela. Uthi we lokhu njani ngizoke ngizwe impendulo la plus ngisebenza ngabo but have never thought to question God. Ubuza indaba yabantu abakhubazekile we-eyes, leyo nto ngishilo ngathi uma ngabe ukhuluma ubuza ngokuthi kungani umdali adala abantu abakhubazekile, ngithe lokho it's a topic on its own. Lokho it's a topic on its own. Yabo it's a topic on its own ngokwakho lokho nakho lokho ukubuzwe la. Ngeke ngize ngikulokhu nje manje ngoba lokho kunokwenza nesoul, kunokwenza mfethu yazi ake ngenze kanje, ake ngivele ngenze kanje ngididi ngoba lento le i-comprehensive, ake ngenze kanje. Uyabona uma ngabe ukhuluma ngokukhubazeka ukuthi umuntu ukhubazekile, khona into defective genes or defected genes lapho bese uba khona i-malfunction. Leyo into leyo isuke yenziwe yilento engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi design crystal, yabo. Kodwa i-design crystal ayilenzi iphutha, yenza i-vehicle eungqo ehambelana nani nale passenger leli elizongena elungqo. So ngamanye amazwi isoul, angithi ngisho ngathi mina i-personality crystal ifanise ne-soul, yabo. So labo bobabili ngesikhathi bakha umzimba, labo bobabili bazi kahle ukuthi lo mzimba abawakhayo kufanele kungene umuntu onjani, bayayazi passenger ekumele izongena ukuthi passenger enjani. So bakha umzimba ohambelana naleyo passenger, kusho ukuthi lento inokwenza nalento ekuthiwa i-previous life noma i-karma, yabo. Inokwenza ne-previous life noma i-karma, because lo uma kuukuthi wena uya reincarnate to this earth, ma reincarnate reincarnate lo usuke ezongena kwi-vehicle, kwi-body, angithi, and lo body leyo kumele ihambisane nalo ama-experience azo-experience wayilo kumele ahambisane nalo mzimba okhandiwe ngiyabo. So ke izinto ezikhona la ilento ethi i-human design ikusiza ukuthi susa i-control yakho engqondweni. Ingqondo ayazi lutho ngohambo lwakho lala emhlabeni, ayazi lutho ingqondo, ayazi lutho ingqondo. Thank you so much Sonto for the gifts. Ingqondo ayazi lutho ngezinqumo, ayazi lutho ngohambo lwakho lala emhlabeni. Ingqondo izokupreclude, izokwenza uhambo lwakho lube difficult because ingqondo izohlezi i-interferisha ngoba ingqondo iprogrammiwe. Wena dedela emzimbeni, umzimba wakho iyona nto ekumele uyisebenzise ukuthatha izinqumo zakho. Give the authority to your body because your body is the one that was there even prior the consciousness. Dedela inqumo emzimbeni. Umzimba une-consciousness yabo. Umzimba une-magnetic monopole esenhlizweni, and the-magnetic monopole iyona that is directing you through the correct trajectory. Yabona uma uzothatha isinqumo, lesi sinqumo uzosithatha, lalela umzimba wakho ukuthi uthini. Umzimba wakho uhlezi ukhuluma. That is the authority that we are giving you. Remove the authority from the mind and listen to your body where there is a magnetic monopole, because uyazi ukuthi ungathatha isinqumo usithatha ngengqondo yakho ukuthi ingqondo yakho ithi, ngoba ingqondo wazi ukuthi lesi sinqumo usithathayo ngoba usithatha ngoba ukuthi ingqondo yakho ithi, wazi ukuthi akusona sakho leso sinqumo. Kungenzeka uduke ngenxa yokuthi uthatha isinqumo from i-reasoning yengqondo ukuthi kwathiwani, angithi, and awuzukulidekela endaweni ekumele ulidekele kuyona. Ngobani? Kufana nokuthi uzo-experience i-reality yalabantu abakuprogramayo. Athi ngikwenzele isibonelo. Uvele uthi wena yazi yibi nje isibonelo engingakwenzela sona. Ngikwenzele isibonelo esinje. Nasi lesi sibonelo lesi. Angithi kunabantu abathi kunamajongo ne-culture ethile. Uthi body index lapha Crownly. Kunento ethi abantu bathi hayi ungamthathi umuntu onengane, yezwa. Leyo nto ayibhaliwe ndawo kwi-universe, yezwa. Ufuna ukukhombisa something. That is one example engizokutshela yona, kodwa wazi ukuthi lesibonelo engizokutshela sona si-applya across empilweni yakho. Kunabantu abathi hayi ungamthathi umuntu onengane. Lo nto leyo watshelwa yona i-culture, ayibhaliwe ndawo kwi-universe. Leyo nto ayikho ndawo. I-indoctrination ne-program, cultural program, awuzalwanga nayo leyo nto, yabo. Okay, othi ngikuhlane la, awuzalwanga nayo leyo nto leyo, into oyizwile nawe waprogramwa ngayo. Bese wena uhlangana nomuntu, lo muntu unengane. Mhlambe in both cases, in both scenarios, wena uprogrammiwe la ngqondweni ukuthi wena umuntu wesilisa ungamthatha umuntu onengane. Nawe umuntu wesifazane waprogrammiwa abangani bakho ukuthi umuntu onengane ungamthathi, yabo. Khona lo program, ake ngithi nje khona lo program edlalayo ukuthi umuntu onengane angithathe, nalo ukuthi umuntu onengane angimthathe. Okay, lento ayiqhamuki kuwena, i-program ye-society isingenela engqondweni yakho. Uyazi la kune-magnetic monopole. Ngithe magnetic monopole udriver wempilo yakho, ekudriver to the correct geometry in this life, to experience the things that you have to experience in this life. then uhlangane nomuntu lo muntu ohlangana naye unengane bese wena ingqondo yakho ithi eyazi lo muntu ngiyamthanda, uyazi ukuthi uyamthanda and iyasho inhliziyo yakho ukuthi lo muntu uyamthanda impela, hayi kancane uyamthanda nje. Mhlawumbe usuthandane naye nje inyanga, uyazi lo muntu ngiyamthanda impela, yazi kodwa manje bese kusala lento ethi kodwa nje unengane and i-society i-brainwash kanjalo noma iyona program onayo unengane kodwa. Buka-ke manje la usalelwe isinqumo esisodwa ukuthi lo muntu uyamthatha wakha naye umuzi noma awumthathi. Isona sinqumo esikusalele njengamanje esisodwa, yes or no. And if uthi yes, impilo yakho izothatha enye trajectory noma enye direction, and if uthi no, impilo yakho izothatha enye trajectory enye direction. Between these two directions, uma uke wafaka ingqondo phakathi la kwi-decision making, we are going to take the wrong trajectory vele for sure, yabo, ngoba usufake ingqondo iprogramiwe. Kanti njengamanje ngoba lo muntu uzizwa umthanda, i-magnetic monopole yakho ayingithi yakudrivela towards yena, ngoba wena muthatha yena lo wakha naye umuzi vele isizoshintsha impilo yakho ithathe enye lifeline. Obvious mawuthatha i-decision oyithathayo kushintsha i-lifeline, yonke i-decision oyithathayo ishintsha i-lifeline. Umuke wathi ngilandela inhliziyo yami, uzothatha enye lifeline. Umuke wathi ngilandela ingqondo yami, uzothatha enye lifeline. And umuntu ulandela ingqondo uzothatha i-lifeline ekungeyona yakho. Umuntu ulandela inhliziyo uzothatha i-lifeline ekungeyakho. Ngisho ngalo muntu loyo umthanda kanjani, ngisho ngagila at some point in time, into ngisho ngabe kuthiwa yimbi kanjani muyibuka, but if it was meant for you, it will always be beautiful. Ngisho into ngathi i-misery kangakanani yenze empilweni yakho, if it was something that was meant for you, it will always be beautiful, yabo, if it was meant for you. But wena umuke walandela ingqondo ikondishiniwe, and ikondishiniwe abantu ngama-experiences abo, and now uzo experience yakhe experience. Inhliziyo udrive, magnetic monopole, umzimba i-vehicle ekuthwele, ilokhungana le i-personality crystal i-passenger. Wena owakho umsebenzi ulula kakhulu ukuthi ube i-observer, iba i-passenger, not be a driver. Be a passenger, not a driver. Be a passenger, not the driver, because you know nothing about the destination. How can you drive the car if you do not know the destination? How can you do that? Lalela-ke, sengichazele into emele ichazele yona. Yini pho eyenza ukuthi u-experience i-life ngale ndlela oyi-experience ngayo? Kunezinto ekuthiwa ama-neutrinos. Ngena kwenye SOP, kodwa ngiqale ngifunde la nangiyana ubani uSoliman okade ngibuza ngescore. Angililandela ibhola weSoliman man. Human nature should tell you the job is ready. And go find your own girl and do the job also. I'm not sure noma ngiyakuthola noma ngikutholi, but thank you for your contribution. Yeah, follow your passion. Yeah, follow your passion. Kunjalo we elite. Kunjalo. Okay. Kunento ke ekuthiwa ama-neutrinos. Ngake ngakhuluma ngayo. Ama-neutrinos ama-divine messengers. Ama-neutrinos izinto ezincane kakhulu ongeke uzibone, ezincane ngisho kune-atom. Atom vele nala uliboni. I-neutrinos are even worse. You can't see them. 300 trillion neutrinos are passing your finger right now as we speak. 300 trillion neutrinos. So lama neutrinos aphumapi? Aphuma u-70% wama-neutrinos uphuma elangeni. and then the rest uphuma kuma-stars. So lama neutrinos ke we are swimming in the flood of neutrinos. We are swimming. So these neutrinos are taking information from one thing to the next. Awavinjwa ilutho ama-neutrinos. Ama-neutrinos ayangena la aphume ngala. Kuyimanje akhona ayangena la kumina ayadlula ayadlula la udongweni. Awavinjwa ilutho ama-neutrinos. They are taking information from one form to the next. They are taking the information from the cosmos to you. So they are divine messengers, ama-neutrinos. So when into yenzakala yonke angithi la wena phezulu la phezulu kule center ekuthiwa yini i-head center, angithi kukhona what you call i-personality crystal. Angithi ngithi ahlala la ama-personality crystal hlala la, and lento ihambisana ne-pineal gland. Ama-personality crystal ngokwe-biology, ngokwe-physical standpoint ahambisana ne-pineal gland. I-pineal gland i-gland esecreta i-melatonin and regulate your circadian rhythm, sleeping and waking up. But ama-design crystal ahlala la, they are corresponding with your neocortex and as well as the pituitary gland, master gland. So ngokwe physical standpoint, ngoba as physical so spiritual, as spiritual so physical. Okay, so lama neutrinos ke njengoba si flooded by ama neutrinos, ingoba la phezulu kuthina la ngaphandle la lento ekhuluma ngayo la ngaphandle ama design ama personality crystal. Uma lama neutrinos aqhamuke elangeni, aqhamuka noma ikuphi kuma stars, ezongena la interactor ne personality crystal yakho, wena uyawafilterisha. They are being filtered, the neutrinos are being filtered, bese wena u-interpreta impilo ngale ndlela oyi-interpreta ngayo. Yayizwa lonto? That is why kungenzeka into eyodwa la kodwa sonke sizoba nembono yethu engafani ngaleyo into. Yindaba because we are filtering the divine messengers in different ways ezohambisana nathi, ngoba mina i-destiny yami ayifani ne-destiny yakho. Therefore kumele interpretation yami of life ingafani ne-interpretation yakho of life, so that mina I will be led to the correct trajectory, ngoba nawe kumele ushonile nami kumele ngishonile, yabo. So your personality crystals, they interact with the neutrinos from the sun. 70% of the neutrinos are from the sun, and bese wena ucabanga into le oyicabangayo, yabo, uyifilterish. Shuthi wena ngamanye amazwi uthola ama messages from the universe, from the sun. Kahle ilanga, that is why kuthiwa ilanga, sun is the soul. Yes, that is why kuthiwa sun is your soul, it's you. That is why the human design la kwakumkhona ilanga ngesikhathi uzalwa sithini, that is what you are here for, yabo. That is very important because sun is your soul, because 70% of the neutrinos, they come from the sun and they come to you to engage with you, and when bese uyawafilterisha, bese u-interpreta ngendlela ethile, bese wenza lento oyenzayo. Wena ungacabangi ukuthi mangabe wenza into le oyenzayo isuka kuwena, usuku filterishe ama neutrinos that are coming from the cosmos, bese wenza lento ozwa ukuthi yenza, yabo. So impilo yakho awuziphathele yona, kunama forces aphethe impilo yakho. Lento icabangayo wena ungazi ukanti uyayicabanga wena, akuwena. Wena there are forces behind everything that you do, because there are forces behind you being here in this earth. So uyabuza lapha ufakazi ukuthi ke if wazalwa ebusuku mnewethu, lokho kusho ukuthini? Ukuzalwa ebusuku akusho lutho, ukuzalwa ebusuku. into eshoyo nje ukuthi wena ngesikhathi uzalwa lali kuphi ilanga in terms of mangilali kuphi ilanga ngikhuluma ngalokho nalento ekhuluma ngayo ngikhuluma ngala kulama gates lawo mawukuthi awukazi ungizwe ngikhuluma ngalento le ngicela uhambe uye ku YouTube Changes Akasha on YouTube ufike uye kwi playlist ebhala ukuthi Introduction to Human Design ufike ufunde ukuthi lama gates asho ukuthini ngoba lama gates wonke lawo ilanga lihamba la unyaka nje ilanga lisuke licirculate la kulama gates wonke lawo so ke each one of you njengoba nila akekho wazalwa ilanga lingekho kwelinye lama gates la and lokho kusho isoul purpose yakho yabo njengalona nje ugate 60 limitation, gate 61 inner truth, gate 54 ambition, gate 38 fight yabo gate 58 yini konje sengikhohliwe ukuthini kodwa lapha kwi roots ezansi lapha yaphansi yabo ngonjalo gate 10 yabo lama gates anama themes anama energies themes athile akuwona so wena uthi ilanga lalimi kuphi ngesikhathi uzalwa iyona nto oyizele la emhlabeni iyona part of the incarnation cross iyona nto oyizele la lokho ke ngake ngathi ukuthinta kancane previously ukuthi njengoba ulana nje uze kunento ekuthiwa incarnation cross kunento ozoyenza la irole ozoyidlala la and determined yini i-chart lakho 6 months before you are born and that day you are born. That is when we are able to calculate what we are here to do yabo so lokho ke ngizokwenza in due course ukuthi ngifunde ini ama charts enu neze ama consultation telling you your incarnation cross you what your role ozoyidlala la emhlabeni phinde futhi wazi ukuthi kumele uyidlale kanjani leyo role ngoba kukhona umuntu ongabatha like ungasho ukuthi ongabathandi khona umuntu othanda ukubuka izinto ngendlela yakhe futhi ongathanda ukuphazanyisa othanda ukuba yedwa I ruminated akazi ukuthi kungani ucabanga konke wrong and abantu that is why ngithe mina asuseni i-control la engqondweni silethe enhlizweni. If you feel like not talking, it's okay. If you feel like being alone, it's okay. What you feel like, it's okay. That's what you feel. But most uzofaka ingqondo in between ukuthi I don't have to be alone, they'll say ngiyayitshela. Now you are disturbing the whole trajectory of your life. You are going to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. We are scared too. I'm scared to check what gates I fall under. What if it's a theme I don't prefer? Angeke uze kube itheme ongayiprefer. Ukuthi maye ngavulela wena uthi ngiyakucheckela. Uwozo wonke umuntu sithi ngimcheckele. Yabo, uwozo wonke umuntu sithi ngicheckele uthi isani ayikuphi ngesikhathi ngizalwa. Ngicheckele ukuthi isani ayikuphi ngesikhathi ngizalwa. Manje ke awuthi ngibonje uzalwa nini mhlawumbe ungasukusho lokuthi uzalwa nini wena mhlawumbe ngakubeka engqondweni uyibhisa without ukuthi ngicheck la uzalwa nini vele ke uthi ke lapha ubani Pete Soul enlightening. Thank you so much. Inhliziyo isempini nengqondo ngiyabonga post malums ukubeka kanjalo ukuze kube clear nje ukuthi we are backlink yabo we are backlink and inhliziyo iyona generator ama emotions or send out a signal to the universe. That is why ngithe so operator manje yabo ngo 2027 going forward sizo operator ngalo and law is an emotional center. We are going to communicate via emotions. It's still gonna be leads. We are going to communicate via emotions, and we are going to have profound intimacy and connections as humans. Ngiyabona ke la ukuthi angakaqali wesonto sonto manje lehowa ke usufaka u23 January kanti ubani la engimbuzile kanti awuthi uElite nje welehowa wase ungena ngembobo yenalithi kufanele ke lehowa wenze lento yenzayo kufanele wenze lento yenzayo lehowa ngoba wena lehowa velu lapha ya wavelu lapha ya kwi-initiation vele nje labantu bathanda ukuza first kufanele uyenze lento yenzayo lehowa i-competition into zakho vele angaka-consultisi wesonto Elite 6 July ufola kwini manje 6 July ufola kwini manje ngiyacabanga mangibuka la ukuthi awuthi uzalwa ngo-6 July masonto mangaki lapho kusho uSamuel okay kusho uSamuel wena mhlawumbe like 56 or 31 or yeah somewhere there between 62 56 31 wena into yakho iSamuel wena Elite noma ngaze ngikucheckele mina like ngendlela engichecka ngayo kodwa wena ila into yakho hawu ngizokhomba kanjani manje ila yabo lapho khona la khona uLandi iyabocasha la khona 53 62 56 31 33 la phansi ila into yakho ilanga la liSamuel la ngesikhathi uzalo even though ungakachecki like ngendlela ekucheckwa ngayo kodwa la liSamuel la ilanga it's either mhlambe wena uya here to 39 in provocation uthi ngibo kwa abantu bangoJuly 6 kusho istar sakho wena uyini istar sakho yini uJune July kusho uyile weekend kushuthi kodwa into yakhe la ungazili ungazili uzoprovoke abantu uzoqala izinto ezintsha ungazili uzoqala izinto ezintsha uzolokhunja uzoname izinto mazi uzoname izinto uzo-storyteller yabo nje between these gates la ezansi angeke ngikucheckeleke ngithi ngoba kuzomela ukuthi ngenze umsebenzi omningi kabi on internet ngenze yonke leyo nto leyo uma ngabe kuthiwa ngiyakucheckela kahle hle ukuthi wena ithini into yakho mangizele lokho good people namhlanje ningajahi nina nje yazini ngizonitshela ukuthi yabona ke manje ke njengamanje ke I'm dealing with your chat ngibe nendlela ukuthi ngidila kanjani nani ngoba kumele ngiengage nawe like yazi nina you are too tempting niyangithemba too tempting guys nangu nje useyasho ufika ufakazi uthi yena uzalwa ngo19 September ngithi yezo njalo uyasho Elite kubuzwe mina why you are now sending your birthday uzalwa ke 19 awu kahle nibo uzalwa ke 19 kahle nigayizini ave nikuthanda ukuhlolelwa hayi that is why nisusa inkinga lazi ihlalele khona ngoba niyakuthanda ukuhlolelwa uzothi omunye vele uyabona ukuthi impilo yakhe bekumela ngabe ihamba kanjani kodwa ufuna ulokhu etsheliwe nje ukuthi akenzeni kodwa akwazi kahle ukuthi yini kumele ayenze kodwa ufuna ulokhu etsheliwe ufuna ukwenza lokhu kuthando yena afuna ukwenza lokhu ekumele ngabe uyakwenza anifani nalabo abahlolayo uyahamba umuntu ayohlola afika atshela into eyodwa aphinda abuyele engayilungisile aphinda ayohlola futhi ufuna bephinde bemtshele le yanto abamtshela yona engayilungisi abantu abayilungisa into kodwa bayathanda ukuhlolelwa uSiyanda Chonco uthi ke is the first time ehlangana nepage lami kodwa nje ufundele ukukhulu ngiyabonga kakhulu weSiyanda futhi ngiyabonga kakhulu 9 May 19 October 16 February 4 November 26 June 22 February Temteka changes hayi kahle good people hayi kahle good people ngiyangidivethisa manje mina uthi ngilokhu nje mina uthi wena ilula into yakho ilula nje ayikho nzima neze ilula nje into yakho when people ilula into yenu ilula ayikho nzima yekelani ukunikeza ingqondo amandla engawadingi yekelani ukunika ingqondo le arginal behlangene no personality zibanjwe magnetic monopole yabo banjwe magnetic monopole make live for bani for checking hayi ngowenza ukukhululeka usushilo ngokwenza lokho ezo vacating ngokwenza lokho sushilo ngoba ngiyabona abantu they are pushing zibanjwe angazi bafethu yabona angazi ukuthi ngingayichaza ngithini magnetic monopole uyazi bethi magnetic monopole la enhlizweni yakho iyona nto mfethu eyaziyo ukuthi kumele kiwephi iyona nto eyaziyo ukuthi kumele kiwephi kumele uthi yes la kumele uthi no la kumele isebenzisana nomzimba wakho a design a vehicle in fact ingqondo bekumele ngabe ithatha i-back seat mawufake nansi tenzakalayo kusuka nansi your clinical death sengikhuluma nge-clinical death yabo you to your biological death kusuka le magnetic monopole yes uma uthi usuyashona masushona ithi magnetic monopole la kwi G center yenza njena ke iyehla kwehla lo ola engithe design crystal wehle njalo uze la kwi G center hlangane ne magnetic monopole bese ziyehla njalo ziyehla njalo zizophuma la ezansi bese ziyahamba ziyohlala in the core of the earth bese kuthi lo consciousness your soul bese kumele ukuthi a disintegrate naye abuye lephi in the space in the field around the earth yabo kumele abuyele khona so kura uruhu ngokwakhe uthi kuthatha 3 days ukuthi lo asuke uma umuntu eseshonile asuke lo abuyele la asuka khona around the earth uthatha 3 days umzimba uma ungezokuthintwa umzimba ungezokuqhaqa umzimba uqhaqwe within 3 days ungezokushiswa ucremate within 3 days noma ugqitshwe within 3 days ngoba uthi uma ngabe uke wakwenza lokho uthi wawudisturb umzimba ungakapheli 72 hours le soul le noma la design crystal awabuyeli la ekumele ukuthi abuyele khona kodwa ahijackwa yini ezinye izinto ezinenkinga yoku-incarnate bese kugcina kudaleka lento ekuthiwa yini moya emibi ugcina lento ihijackeka kwakheka uba kwi-realm yemoya emibi yabo uba kwi-realm yemoya emibi ngoba usuzohijackwa ezinye izinto lezi ezifuna uku-incarnate yabo so uyakusuggesta uruhu ukuthi umuntu uma eshonile angathi ungephazanyisa isidumbu nje at least for 3 days engazoqhaqwa engazogqitshwa engazoshiswa so that izo disintegrate in ama conscious ama personality crystal abuyele la kumele ukuthi abuyele khona yabo because lento le kahle isoul vele le ekugcineni yabo kuyimanje njengoba ngikhuluma nawe zikhona izingane ezikhona nje ungasho ukuthi izingane futhi ngoba izingane ubona ukuthi ingane ngoba nake sela emhlabeni ikhona imphefumulo ekhona kuyimanje esemoyeni nje ekwi spiritual domain ekwi astral ihleli lapho lemphefumulo le and ilindeleni ilindele ukuthi i-magnetic monopole ihlangane ne-design bese yona izongena, yabo, ibese yona izongena kwiform, yabo. So umuntu into integrated. So wena ngesikhathi uhlangana nomuntu nakho ingane nisuke niphula down le consciousness crystal ukuthi ayize, ngoba akhona vele they are waiting, they are just waiting for ilento. Whether ke wena uyathanda noma uthandi umuntu, akuyona ichoice yakho ukuthi umele akheke nini kanjani. So ngiyayibona lento lokhu ikhulunywa abantu bethi ingane this ingane that. Yabona mfethu, indaba yokuza komuntu emhlabeni indaba yengane, ungami endleleni yayo, awazi lutho ngayo. Wena do the best you can but don't take conclusions, ngoba you know nothing about lezo zinto ezijule kakhulu. Namhlanje khona abantu abakhona ngendlela ezi-extraordinary kungaziwa ukuthi bafika kanjani, but bafika, bakhona namhlanje bayaphila. So lento ekuthiwa ama-human beings ake ime kancane uqina ukuma endleleni yokufika komuntu emhlabeni. Hayi mina lapho-ke ngiyama-guarantee umuntu nje uma wena yenza lokho ongakwazi ukukwenza, gwema lokho okwazi ukugwema, kodwa umdali futhi ungami endleleni yakhe. Mase ufuna ukuletha umuntu emhlabeni uzomletha whether you like it or not ngendlela yakhe. So wena-ke muntu usustigmatize abantu ukuthi bazalele ekhaya, usustigmatize abantu ukuthi bazalele ubani, ustigmatize. Ungaphawuli lutho ngokuza komuntu emhlabeni, ungaphawuli lutho, ngoba kujulile kungaphezulu. Kunesidalo esisuke siza la emhlabeni, kunesidalo esisuke siza la esisuke siza futhi kuphoqa. Awungitshela ukuthi uma ngabe kuphoqa i-magnetic monopole, yazi kahle ukuthi wena lama genes akho iwona afunekalayo, nama genes kaSibanibani iwona awu precisely ngqo adingekalayo ukuthi kungene le design crystal ingene khona. Wena ubani-ke wena ukuthi uzokugwema lokho ukuthi kwenzeke? Ngabe bazange bemitha abantu bejova? Ngabe bazange bemitha abantu befaka implant? Ngabe kazi ibust protection beyifakile? Lonto ikufakazela ukuthini? Ukuza komuntu emhlabeni akulona idokwe labantu abaphilayo la emhlabeni. Ukuza kwakhe nokuhamba kwakhe akulona idokwe lethu lelo. Thina okwethu ukwenza esinamandla akho ukwenza, kodwa okungale kwalokho asingakustigmatize, singazenzi osiyazo ngakho. Enye into kuletha impilo la emhlabeni, enye into leyo. Enye into akekho umuntu okuthiwa bekungamela ukuthi eze la. Wazini ngalokho? What do you even know about that? I am here 888. Hi my brother. Endulo bebefihlwa after 3 days. Bebefihlwa after 3 days. Angazi ngobe wenzeke endulo. Kodwa nje ngisho into le engisho eyashora uruhu the founder of this system engikhuluma ngayo njengamanje. Ngoba ke lokhu kwasendulo futhi ukuthi kwakwenzeka kanjani izinto zasendulo kumele zishintshe vele anyway, yabo. Kumele vele zishintshe ekugcineni. Whether what is it that they were doing at some point in time kumele beshintshe because we are evolving as a species. So I don't know what they were doing endulo, yabo. So ke bengisathetha la ngempela, ngiyathetha ngani ukuthi ngiyathetha konje njengoba nikhona la, ngiyanibona niba 51 manje 52. Ngiyacela ningami endleleni yokufika nokuhamba kumuntu, ningabe nemibono nokuphawula ngokufika nokuhamba kumuntu. Akekho ngisho yedwa la njengoba nikhona owaziyo i-soul purpose yomuntu la okhona. Akungabi ukuphawula okwenzayo ngendaba yempilo yomuntu, akungabibikho, ngoba lento engikhuluma ngayo la ama-forces a-serious enza lo msebenzi. Bese kufika umuntu ngokuba short minded kwakhe athi bekungamele lo abe nengane, bekungamele lo azalwe, bekungamele lo afe, bekungamele lo. Indaba yokufika nokuhamba komuntu yeke mhlawumbe ungayiphatha-ke ukuthi mase sephila-ke umnike yalo ukhulume lokhu kukhulumayo, kodwa ukufika kwakhe nokuhamba kwakhe to the extent yokuthi ustigmatize abantu ukuthi bazalele ekhaya, ustigmatize abantu ukuthi bamithele obani bayizidididi, ustigmatize abantu ngendaba zokukhulelwa. Ukufika komuntu emhlabeni akulona idoko lomuntu ophilayo la, akazi lutho ngalezo zinto, zaziwa izinto eziserious ezijulile, yabo. To the extent yokuthi that is why uma endleleni yomuntu wena ucabanga ukuthi lento eyenzakalayo ayimfanele, ifanele wena, iyakushaya, ama-forces ayakushaya ngoba lo muntu lo une-magnetic monopole, and le magnetic monopole iyona nto iyona force that is binding everything together, and kunendlela lo muntu ekumele azoyihamba la iyadingeka, akekho omunye umuntu ozoyihamba ngaphandle kwakhe. Wena umendleleni yakhe, wena ulindele ukuthi kumele kwenzakaleni kuwena uma endleleni ye-universe, umuntu i-universe ulindele ukuthi kumele kwenzakaleni kuwena, ulindele ukuthi kumele kwenzakaleni. Uthi what happens about the abortion? Yabona-ke lento ye-abortion umbuzo omuhle lo obuzayo Pitso, umbuzo omuhle. Iya nge-morality, kodwa ngiyibeke kanje indaba ye-abortion. Yabona uma ngabe sewu-aborta, one, ukuthi right kuyakuvuma lokho, ukuthi wrong kuyakuvuma futhi lokho, ngoba sinento ekuthiwa i-binary consciousness, womabili ama-side a-right, kodwa bese kuya nge-morality ne-reasoning yakho ukuthi umiphi na. Yabona uma ngabe uzo-aborta, usuku-aborta wena ngokuba angikuzwa-ke phakathwayo kaMbangazithi ukuthi what are you talking about. Cela ukuthi uyibhale nje ibe clear ukuze ifike kahle nakumina. Uma ngabe u-aborta i-process wena asikhumbule la ukuthi usuke uzo-aborta, u-aborta i-process, njengoba kuthi uya-aborta nje usuku-aborta i-process kahle hle, awu-abort wena ingane, u-aborta i-process. Asikhumbule ukuthi ngithe kusuke kusakheka umzimba, kusuke kusadesignwa umzimba for the first and the second trimester, kushuthi nje kulo 6 months kusuke kuseyi-design, angithi esuke isa-design, bese kuzongena i-consciousness noma i-conscious awareness izongena ngalokhu kokugcina. Kusho ukuthi nawo abortayo usuke umile vele endleleni ye-universe ngowakho, yabo, ngokwakho nawe. Akhona-ke ama-repercussions ozowaface vele ngalokho. Akukho wrong, akukho right uku-aborta, akukho wrong, akukho right, ngoba umuntu o-abortayo uzokutshela ukuthi kungani aborta, une-reasoning, usebenzisa ini, i-reasoning yakhe ukuthi a-aborta, yabo, kumvune futhi ngokwe-reasoning capacity yakhe. Kodwa uma mina sengeqela ngaphezulu kwalokho, i-reasoning eye-carnal mind, eye-conscious mind, eye-human mind, eye-limited mind, i-reasoning, yayizwa loo nto? I-reasoning eye-carnal mind, eye-human mind, eye-lower self, engazi lutho about things of the universe, i-reasoning-ke leyo, yabo, eyala emhlabeni. Iyona ozoburizina ngayo, ngoba ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi wena hayi ngiya-aborta ngoba le ngane engizoyizala izoba yisigebengu ebese ibulala abantu, yabo. Akekho umuntu o-aborta kanjalo ethi le ngane engiyiphethe izoba yisigebengu ibulala abantu, noma le ngane izoba unondindwa izoqhatha abafana ibulale. Akekho osho lokho, wonke umuntu usho into ela within the boundaries, okusho ukuthi akazi lutho ngokuthi le ngane ezayo yini ezokwenzeka ngayo, akazi fokhona. So uthatha isinqumo sokuma phambi kwe-universe based on i-limited mind yakhe, ukuba kufishane kwengqondo, ukusebenza i-information anayo manje, yabo, usebenzisa i-information anayo manje e-short, e-limited ngale ndlela, yabo. Khona abantu abalahla iy'ngane, lezo ngane namhlanje zinto ey'nkulu ziyababazeka, ngobani? Uyengazi ukuthi yini enye ezayo ngale. So nalo abhotha based on limited information, but bese maphambi kwendlela ze-universe. Akhona ama-repercussions umuntu awatholayo ngokuma phambi kwe-universe, yabo. Akhona ama-repercussions nawo. Omunye uthola ukuthi at some point kuningi okwenzakalayo, angeke ngize ngigagule ngamagama, but akhona ama-repercussions abantu ababhekana nawo emveni kokwenza lezo zinto lezo, yabo. Kodwa usuke e-right, ngiyabonga Mbalenhle, ngiyabonga ngegift. Usuke e-right ngokwasemhlabeni, usuke e-right. That is why kukhona indlela e-safe, kusemthethweni ukuthi bakwenze, kwaphasiswa, angithi. Ngobani? Ngokwasemhlabeni ku-right. Ngobani? Usebenzisa i-reasoning into yala emhlabeni kwa-earth, leyo nto eyakwa physical. Ngale ku-spiritual enye into leyo. Ayingeni ngisho enkantolo lento yaka spiritual, ayingeni ngisho enkantolo, ngobani? Ayinayo i-valid proof, into ejule kakhulu. U-right ngokwala emhlabeni, kodwa ngokwaka spiritual, ngokwe-universe, it was not called for ukuthi u-abort. And ke mu-aborta ke, obviously u-aborte ini? I-design, ne? U-aborte i-design, i-body. Kodwa abortile leya lokhungana leya. If bekukuthi iloya ebekumele ukuthi abuye, then akasabuyanga ngoba wena usu-abortile. And it's still part of the process, ngoba ayikho i-duality. uNkulunkulu ayikho i-duality, kwi-universe ayikho i-duality, akekho wrong no right, akekho bad no good, ayikho, yonke into iyodwa. Nakho lokho ukuthi angabuyi lo ekumele ukuthi abuye eze ka third dimension ngenxa yakho, still kuseyi-journey yakhe naye lo ose kwa spiritual world, kuseyi-journey yakhe naye ukuthi wena usuwenze ukuthi wangafika la emhlabeni, yabo. Wena nawe vele uzaface awakho ama-repercussions eceleni, kodwa naye uhambo lwakhe kusho ukuthi li-involve ukuthi anga-incarnate njengamanje kuwe. It's still part, ubad ugood, zonke lezi zinto zombili kumdali ziyafana. It's part of the journey, yabo. It's part of the journey. So ke mawukhuluma ngalokho ke koku-aborta ncanzi ubekelekile ke, u-right u-wrong at the same time. Depend ukuthi siyibuka kiphi i-perspective, sibuka nge-perspective yala emhlabeni noma sibuka nge-perspective yaka spiritual. So I wouldn't suggest ukuthi usebenzise short information ubese uya-abort. I wouldn't suggest that ukuthi usebenzise, ngoba I don't know, I really do not know. But it's all about yonke into kuwena, i-decision esuyithatha wena, kodwa i-decision ikuphi khona? I-decision ila ikuwena, i-decision ukuthi wena ithini nangu phela ukhiya, uthini ukhiya la kuwena, the magnetic monopole, uthini umzimba wakho uthi yenze lento noma ungayenzi. Because uzobe uyenza vele lo bekumele ngabuyi njengamanje. But konke mfethu, yabo kunzima ukuphila ngengqondo, kunzima mfethu ukuphila ngengqondo, because ingqondo, to be or not to be, ayazi ukuthi should I go or should I stay, ayazi. So kodwa kunento ewukhiye ela kuwena ekuthiwa yini, i-authority system ekuwena ukuthi njengamanje, if I listen to my body, what does my body tell me? Ubani laphana phakathwayo mase ngibuka kahle isithombe lapha, ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi ukhehla loya, Jose uyena no DJ, ngibona ngathi ukhehla loya na ukhehla kumede, ngibona ngathi wena khehla kumede loya. uyena impela ukhehla gumede awurumza wami ke lo phakathi wayo kampa ngazitha urumza wami bengingakuboni urumza wami ngo2012 ngisafika lapha euniversity yazi kunenkomishi yakhe la isiyazi yakho uthi ngithathele yona usayikhumbula lenkomishi yakho le uthi ngikususele lokho khona uzoyibona kahle hayi man enzani lento funa ungitshela usayikhumbula yini lelo kungana le usayikhumbula le lenkomishi yakho le Rumza isiyazi yaphuma ngisho isibambo wayishiya nje wena ngesikhathi uthutha lenkomishi wayishiya hayi ngayithatha ke mina hayi ngeke ngihlale ehotel phela ehotel uyazi nawe kusebenza kanjani uRumza wami lona ngo2012 esahlala lapha eDH eDurban Hotel lapha kuSmith eRumza wami ukuqala lona hayi angisa DJ weRumza manje ngisamile mhlawumbe ngibuye so uNohlezama uthi yo sengisele kade sengibani lahlekelwe inetwork hayi okunye uzokuzwa ku YouTube we Nohlezama. What happens when you get a near death to your soul, a near death experience, NDE? A near death experience nje mina into engiyazi ngayo isuke izo awaken isoul yakho yo isuke izoxhumanisa i-lower self ne-higher self. That's what I know about near death experience. Ngoba abantu ababuya kulo near death experience bakutshela ukuthi babuka impilo ngenye indlela manje they value impilo, they just change their state of consciousness, it's just being altered. So your soul in near death experience futhi i-initiate yona isoul yakho ngoba isuke ifuna uku-elevate, sokuthi ufuna ukuthi ithi yeke ukuganga wena awubuka izinto ngalendlela le. Ya injalo ke indaba ngicabanga ukuthi ke guys ke ngiyanishiya but ke u2027 ke guys nazi ukuthi unyaka lona ke unyaka lo no serious izinto ezizokwenzeka ngakhona zizokwenzeka ngendlela esezingeni eliphezulu going forward. What happens to the steel bonds? Angicela ungiphindela kahle umbuzo weYolanda. Ngicela ungiphindela kahle. Ngo2027 sizodevelopa ngempela emotional awareness. Sizodevelop emotional awareness. Sizoconnecta to ilokungana spiritual nature sethu. Sizoba nama intimate connections serious sizoqala izinto ezizosenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sinyuke ngokwe social strata, but at the same time kodwa sikwazi ukuthi sibambe i-mundane level. Sibambe i-mundane level ngoba angeke sizoba intuitive futhi sizoba intuitive ngenye indlela. Nizobona nina kiwa phambili nizoyibonela nani ukuthi kuzoba mnandi step by step kuzoba mnandi. Sizoba intuitive, sizosebenzisa i-authority ekuthina ngaphakathi. Uma ngibuya next time ngizokhuluma nge-internal authority ngoba sinama authority ngoba njengoba ngilo ngithi mina lalela umzimba wakho kune part yomzimba wakho kumele ukuthi uyilalele mangabe uthatha isinqumo. Ngizochazela ukuthi yini kahle ekumele ukuthi uyilalele. Sikhumbule ukuthi lapha ku YouTube Changes Akasha on YouTube iyatholakala human design as a lesson yabo as a study. Ngizokutshela ukuthi yini emele ukuthi uyilalele ngoba sisonke njengoba sihlukene la sinama authority mechanism angafani. awafana ama-authority mechanism. Mangithi ama-authority ngisho ukuthi i-decision making mechanism yethu njengoba sila ayifani. Omunye kumele alalele ama-guts, omunye kumele a-ride i-emotional wave, omunye kumele alalele into ayishoyo, akufanani. So kodwa ekugcineni yonke into kuzomele uyilalele isuke isemzimbeni wakho, yabo, hhayi ngaphandle. Kwenzakalani uma uchithekelwe yisisu? Ya-ke lokhu it's beyond you, ilokhu ngani, angithi kusuke ngeyona ilokhu njani i-conscious will yakho ukuthi isisu sichitheke. So obviously i-process lapho isuke i-abortekile ngokwe-universe, isuke i-abortekile ngokwe-universe i-process, kusuke ngeyona i-conscious will yakho leyo, kodwa kusuke kuyi-karma yakho leyo uchithekelwa yisisu, isuke inokwenza ne-karma yakho, yabo. I-life ukuthi into ejulile kakhulu, kusuke kuyi-karma yakho wena sichitheke kuwena isisu, kusuke kuyi-karma yalo futhi ebekumele ukuthi eze la emhlabeni at the same time. Kusuke kumele ukuthi kwenzeke ngoba sekwenzekile ngokwe-karma, yabo, kumele kwenzeke ngoba sekwenzekile ngokwakho. Angithi cause and effect suke singeke sikwazi ukuthi ukutrackela wena ukuthi kungani isisu wena sekuchithekelile, kodwa kusuke kumele sikuchithekele ngokwe-karma. Iyona kumele ukuthi ungaquestion, kumele ukuthi ukwamukele njengoba kunjalo, ngoba uma sesiquestion ngeke uzwazi ukuthi ikona kuphi okwenza ukuthi isisu sakho sichitheke, ngeke uzwazi ngenhlobonhlobo, ngoba i-karma awukwazi ukuyi-track ukuthi kwenzeka nje ngoba naku bekwenzeke kanje, awukwazi, yabo. Nalo ukuthi bekumele abuye kusuke kuyi-karma yakho ukuthi angeke asakwazi ukuthi abuye ngalabazali labo, noma angeke asakwazi ukubuya ngalo mzimba lo, kusuke kuyi-karma yakhe na. That is why i-karma nje into kanjalo inhlanganisela, yabo, ukuthi mina yabo, uma ukuthi wena uxhaphaza mina, ungixhaphaza ngendlela ongixhaphaza ngayo, uzoyithola i-karma yakho, yabo, ngoba ungixhaphazile mina. Bakhona nawe abazokuxhaphaza noma abazokwenza enye into kuwena, yabo, abazokuqondisa nawe ngendlela yakho, kodwa nabo laba abakuqondisayo wena bazobe nabo bekhona bazobaqondisa nabo, ngoba naye ngesikhathi eqondisa wena uzicreatele yakhe karma naye, yabo. So that is why umuntu mangabe ekwenza into embi bese nawe ubuyisela ngendlela embi kuyena, ayikiyeki ikarma, ngoba wena angithi uthatha umuntu ukwenza into embi wena bese nawe uyayibuyisela back kuyena, ayikiyeki ikarma ukuthi wena ngoba ubuzivikela then ayikho ikarma ezoba khona. Izokubamba nawe ikarma ngoba nawe yazi wena phela i-universe yazi wena, ayimazi lo wena owenza something, yona ibona wena ukuthi okay, ake ngithi nje yabo, lento ifana nani, lento ifana nokuthi umuntu akutshotshele, yabo, ukuthi uyakutshotshela bese uvela okay ungena kwakho uzontshontsha, bese wena uvela umfaka inhlamvu, wena umfaka inhlamvu noma uvela umfaka umese avela ashona, yabo, noma avela akukhubazeke, sekuyi-karma yakhe leyo, i-cause and effect yakhe leyo ngokutshotshwa kwakhe, yabo, sekuyi-karma yakhe leyo. Kodwa akukiyekile wena ukuthi nawe ikhona yakhe karma njengoba usumlimazile, nawe akukiyekile. That is why uzoboshwa nawe, yabo, that is why nawe uzoboshwa. Amaphoyisa washo ukuthi ayakuyeka ngoba nakho ubekade ezontshontsha kwakho, nawe uyahamba uyoboshwa nawe, angithi. So nawe usubulele. So i-karma ayikiyeki ngoba nawe ususende the negative signal to the universe. So i-universe ke sekuzomela ukuthi ikubuyisele the negative result back, yabo. So i-karma nje isebenza i-cause and effect, ngeke isho nje i-universe ngiyamyeka, noma kufana nomuntu mangabe mhlambe ekuzonda bese umzonda back nawe, i-universe ayinendaba nalokho ukuthi uyakuzonda nawe umzonda back. I-universe ibuka wena ukuthi okay, when state of being sakho manje sithini, then that is the message we are sending to the universe, then that's what the universe is going to bring back to you, yabo. ngenxa lwami back to you, yabo, ngenxa lwami back to you, yabo, ngenxa lwami. Hayi we eyes bekade kuyi-call we eyes nonotshe zami bekuyi-call ya injalo ke indaba guyzini, injalo indaba. Senginikezile bafethu ulwazi senginikezile nami ulwazi lami luhamba ibanga leli elihambayo kanje spiritually and what's not. So ngiyanicela nje, ngiyanika i-advice, ningami ezindleleni zabantu, ningami ey'ndleleni zabantu, ningalinge nime endleleni yabantu. Ngicela ukutshela-ke futhi ukuthi wena uma ngabe wena u-spiritually aware and spiritually awakened, uma ngabe wenza into that is not called for, uma wenza into negative, uyenza to the next person noma wherever la uyenza khona, but if you are sending the wrong signal, wena mu spiritual awaken, isibhaqo sithola ngokushesha, induku ziyashesha ukubuya. Yabo nje awunqeni ukuthi wenza into edrobheni uthi uma ufika ekhaya ufike nayo ziwushaye nakwena. Mhlawumbe ufike ubone umuntu ewisa imali lapha edrobheni, ufike wena uthi wawungibona yini, mhlawumbe uyicoshe ubumbone ukuthi iwele ibani, uyamlandela uvela uyithathe wena lo mali, kodwa wazi kahle ukuthi wena ufuna ukutholisela wena, kodwa wena uyayithatha wena yakhe. So vele sekune conflict lapho, yabo, sekukhona conflict ekhona, yabo. So ususended the wrong signal vele to the universe, kanti wena spiritual awaken uzothi wena uyazi vele ukuthi lento engiyenzayo bekumele ngabe ngiyenza. So vele usuyicreate karma ngokushesha ke wena ngoba uya spiritually awaken, izoshesha nje izibuye induku. Akunqeni ukuthi uyafika ekhaya kini wena vele ifoni yakhe ingene emanzini ngokushesha nje, yabo, ngoba wena umuntu spiritually awaken iyashesha ukubuya isibhaqo, ikarma iyashesha ukubuya kuyena. Ngokunjalo futhi noma yena bemsukela yena noma kuyena owenziwa into embi, nakuyena futhi lo menza into embi uyashesha ukuthola isibhaqo naye, ikarma iyashesha ukubuyela kuyena. So uma ngabe uwenza yabo nje ngenze isibonelo njengami nje mina ngi-spiritually awaken and spiritually aware, yabo. Ngaso sonke isikhathi ngizama ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuncika to the center. Ngoba ngumuntu phela ubuye enhlanhlathe, kodwa zama ngayo yonke indlela ukuncika to the center, to the higher self, yabo. So ngihlezi ngi-aware most of the time. So uma ngabe kukhona umuntu ozongenza into azi kahle ukuthi yena lento ayenza kumina is not called for, whether ngiyazi noma ngazi kuyafana, lowo muntu loyo usuke ezosithola isibhaqo sakhe ngasese, ngingazi mina, ngazi noma ngingazi, isuke kuyinto efanayo nje, isuke impilo izombhaqabula whether ngiyazi, ngiyabona noma ngiboni. That is why uthola ukugcina kudabuke wena futhi gcina kudabuke wena ukuthi ayazi lento esiyenzeka manje ayisibhlungu, kanti kwenzeka into umuntu ubusy la kunezinto azenzayo kuwena, noma kunezinto azicabangayo, noma kunezinto azinjani behind your back, ubusy namananga wena wazi, kanti uya a spiritual person bese yambhaqabula ke impilo ke, yabo. Impaqabula ngokukhulu kushesha futhi, just like nawe spiritually awaken, uma usuqala wenza into umsangano nawe futhi kwenzeka the same thing, iyakubhaqabula ngokushesha impilo futhi, yabo. So yibona mina uhlale ngaso sonke isikhathi kuba ukuthi uzama ukuba se-center, ungabi in contradiction, ngoba iyona into inkinga le, ungabi in contradiction, kumele ube kanje, it's either this way or this way, ungabi nendlela ezimbili kanje, yabo. Ngoba manje umuko wanendlela ezimbili kanje la iqala khona inkinga, i-universe izodila nawe ngenye indlela, yabo. akufuneki ukuthi wenze into ube uthi wena kodwa lento bekumele ngaba ngiyenza khona inkinga ke izoba khona lapho akhona inkinga izoba khona akumele ukuthi la kuwena kube khona angazi thiwa yini kube khona iduality uma ngabe wenza into yazi ukuthi lento le whether bangicela noma bangicela mina I feel ukuthi lento I have to do it ungabi double sided manje ube nama double agenda uthi yazi ngiyayenza lento kodwa izoba inkinga leyo nto leyo lento iyafana nalo muntu othi ngiyayithatha le mali ngiyayintshontsha kodwa yabo noma ngiyayenza ayi ngisho ukuthi uqala i-initiative ye-business noma u-applyela umsebenzi noma wenzana empilweni yakho akube khona into eyodwa ukuthi this thing is mine uma wathi wena ngiyayiqala lento ngiyayenza lento kodwa usu double sided sekungenzeka lento othi uyayiqala vele ingabe successful vele obvious yabo awufuneki ukuthi u-double tongue awufuneki uduality funeka A1 this is what is going to happen finish in absence of i-request bafethu ngiyanishiya ke manje in absence of ukurequesta ungekho umbuzo specific yabo angizabona nje mina ukuthi mina ngavuma ukuthi ngizoba live nge-weekend kumele ngisticke kuleyo nto leyo kube ukuthi kusuke kuphoqa mangabe kungenzekanga kusuke kuphoqa kodwa hayi ukuthi kube yimina nje ovela athi ayingeke hayi namhlanje ayi angizizwa kumele kube ama circumstances ngeke ngize ngihambe beyond ama forces ngiforce akumele ukuthi kube yimi ophinda futhi athi lento igonqa ithi ungayikhombi indlela futhi uphinde uyijike wena we are creating a binary consciousness we are making things to be weak empilweni yakho ungayikhombi indlela uphinde uyijike wenza signal ingabe strong yabo even your mind will not take you serious yabo so isithunya sakho ungazama ungasididi isithunya sakho khomba indlela bese uyayihamba finish isho into bese uyayenza finish musukuba ubuysetha empilweni noma ngabe kuthiwa wenzani qala ibhizinisi uqaphela umsebenzi ufuna uyocela ini deal partnership noma kuthiwa yini oyenza ufuna uba successful musukuba nezinto ezimbili kanje iba nento eyi1 ne iba nento eyi1 otherwise uvela ungayenzi leyo nto straight mawukuthi uyabona ukuthi there is something vele uyiyeke nje straight ungayenzi ngoba kufuneka i-double agenda double agenda ifuneki ayifuneki i-double agenda yabo mina ngangathi ngapanisha omunye nje umuntu sengibona ukuthi yabo lo muntu lo sengimnikezile ingalo ngamnika isandla ngamnikeza nengalo yonke ngase yabona ke manje sekuyavuma ukuthi manje ngimpanishe ke lo yabo ngampanisha ke ngamcela kuyona i-universe ukuthi lona ke ngicela ukumpanisha lo umthetho uyangivumela ukuthi ngimpanishe yabo ngimpanisha willingly so yabo ngoba ngeke afe ku right kodwa nje ngimpanisha hayi ukuthi ngipanisha umuntu kodwa nginobathi ukuthi kodwa Nkosi yami ingane yabantu ngani nento eyodwa ukuthi njengamanje njengoba ngimpanisha and uzopanisheka ngoba phela anginayo mina i-double agenda njengamanje sekumele sekufanele ukuthi ngimpanishe umthetho usiyavuma ukuthi ngimpanishe yabo ngampanisha kwapanisheka futhi yabo so wafunda ngendlela yakhe naye afunda ngayo so ukuyena ukuthi wafunda omunye umuntu akafundi omunye uyafunda omunye akafundi omunye uthetho li-punishment angafuni ukufunda blame ama circumstances uzophinda panisheke futhi nangelinye ilanga panishwa ezinye izimo so you have to learn from your mistakes mase sewuthola punishment you have to learn hayi baba yini nganza wethu senolala kakuhle ubusuku benzolo ngicwele ngani kakhulu bafethu ngiyabonga nje isikhathi senu ninginikeze sona ningilalela la kodwa nje akekho ngisho yedwa nje la kunina uyayafuna ukungena nami abe nami la request abe live noma 2 noma 3 nje ba request sike sikhulume nje sikhulumo you guys kanti ngifundisa kanjani mina angifundisa abantu abazofundisa abanye kulungileke guyzini goodbye ifoni yami ithi angiphumula ithi akusaphumeki la awu hey mana ngesikhathi sengithi ngiyaphuma mfethu kusho njengoba ifoni ingavumi ukuthi kuphumeke nje ngoba khona uzo request vele akuvele phela akuvele ngala sisalele u3 minutes kwamahipha awuncese singasendela omunye umuntu request nilale kahle okay nilale kahle mase niyolala nina engibona seniyalala sabona wesandi
yebo baba unjani
ngiyaphila njani
ngiyaphila nami ne
hayi right
benzodlulisa nje ukubonga ngezifundiso zakho ne
yeah
ziyayivula ingqondo ngaso sonke isikhathi. I'm used to ukuvula nje i-messages ojwayele ukuzisho phambilini nokungena ku-YouTube kuyenza ingqondo ivuleke and usifundisa ngokuningi. Ngicela ukuqhubeke njalo ungami.
ngibonga kakhulu ngalowo mazwi. I am humbled and honored. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Sandi.
uThixo akubusise ngiyabonga.
Okay, thank you.
Sure ke baba.
Azia usho njalo ke uSandi. Usho njalo uSandi uthi ke uyakheka. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nami ngibonga nophezulu ongabonwayo. Ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume into bese yakha umehluko yenza umehluko yawe wemfoka phakathwayo. Thank you Sonto. Uvela ungivalelise kamnandi kanjani. Bese ngilala kamnandi kanjani nami. Siyabonga bye bye kusho KT kusho lapha noYolanda. Siyavalele singane zakwethu la. Nangiyake uphakathwayo ukhala ngale yenkomisho okuza wephakathwayo uzoyilanda. Amasihlangane ePython ngiphathele yona. Thank you Masha. Thank you Masha. Changes ulale kahle nawe wesiphephelo. Eyes uthi manzi washonaphi ngempela. Umanzi baningi ke engasabazi bese bashonaphi njengontombi nje futhi yabo. Angisabazi kodwa nje uhamba ubuye ke la mina ngimile vele yabo ngento emile. Bakhona baningi engasabazi. Baningi kodwa futhi khona abanye futhi abasha esibabonayo. Yabo kuyaphanjwana nje. Ufixa nje kuphela umuntu owangitshela isimo abhekene naso. Ya ngoba ke phela wasinika indaba zethu la kwaShuba. Hayi bandla kusuke kuyisikhathi sakho impela ngithi ngisuke ngidrop eyibona futhi abantu uzweni sizongena. Thanks bud. Hayi ngiyabonga uzweni siyafunda kakhulu. Hayi kungcono uma ukuthi ke kuyafundeka njengamanje sesijika amadry okugcina vele sesishona phansi siyanda chongo ngisayongena ku YouTube budi kade umuntu beqe indlela ngengqondo izinto ezingenzeki. Okay hayi shona khona wesiyanda shona khona mfowethu lapha na ku YouTube live bami bakhona. Thanks ngiyabonga kakhulu weSandi. Live bakhona lapha ku YouTube no introduction to human design introduction. Ngisachaza lezi zinto lezi ngisachaza lama centers lawo inamba ezikulama centers ngisachaza zona first yabo. Mase ngiqede zona ke ngoba kusele 1 2 kusele 2 kuphela then ngimuva nenye into injalo indaba.